likod para sa atong grand entrance sa Dugay-Dugay. And kung may mga gifts na mga dala, so dalaan na lang diri sa front kay i-display natin. And please be reminded as well without the sequence of our grand entrance this morning. Yung mauuna po sa ating grand entrance would be our flower girls, yung mga babies po natin. And then to be followed by our ring bearer, Bible bearer, coin bearer, and then our maid. And after po nun, to be followed po yung ating principal sponsors, which is yung ating mga ninong and ninang. Would be our newlyweds. Yan. Okay, I think we have to start our program this morning. Love is a set of emotions and behaviors characterized by intimacy, passion, and commitment. It involves care, closeness, protectiveness, attraction, affection, and trust. Love can vary in intensity and can change over time. Since we're done with our ribbon cutting, ladies and gentlemen, let us witness the grand entrance of the following participants, beginning with our grand entrance has a twist, ladies and gentlemen. As I call on your name, magkakaroon po tayo ng isang TikTok music, and you are all obliged to dance with the music. Kasi I know naman na particular yung lahat sa ating TikTok. Okay, let's begin our grand entrance with our flower girls, starting with Sofia Antonia Prudente. To be followed by Jaira. We also have Yenya Varez. We also have Mary Adela Meda. Oh, very good. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen, our flower girls. Let's do isang baro-baro G version naman dyan, baby. Ready in 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan! Bigyan mo natin ng palakpakan! Wow! This is Nicola Vida. We have Rena May Numan-Anak. We have Dennis Janelle Ligada. We have Murphy Jeans Ligada. Leia May Larida. Gina May Larida. We also have Lice May Persona. And we also have Brianna Marie Carillo. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let us witness our maidens in their paru-paru G. Ayan! Bigyan po natin ang pasigabong palakpakan yung ating maidens this morning. We have Pervin Lucero and Landy Parva. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let us witness our groomsmen in their paru-paru team. Yan, sige, palubay-lubay ka mula, was. Yan, sige. Very good, walang iya, walang iya. Yan. And there we have it. We have Ariana Bel Ibanhe. We also have Eden Marie Bautista. We have Carol Tabangasinan. We have Trisha Kinley Parva. We also have Andy Claire Ibanhe. We have Judy Ann Faisan. We have Grace Angeline Bial. And we go! Wow, very good! Tingnan mo lang sa masikamo palakpakan ang ating bridesmaids in the paru-paru G version. Yeah, paru-paru G version of our maid of honor and best man. Oh, sige! Ay, wayaw, yeah! Go! Ayan, ladies and gentlemen! Sige, magpatik-patik bala kita sa ano. Patik-patik, meaning to say, kiss liwat. Kay kulang ang kiss sa simbahan, dapat may kiss pagay sa balay.
Pakilid ah.
Gandang invest